In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to approve, edit, or delete comments in a WordPress post. Managing comments on your WordPress site is crucial for maintaining engaging and informative discussions, and it also helps you keep the conversation on topic and appropriate for your audience. Let's get started. First off, you'll need to head over to WordPress.com, open up your web browser and type in the address to get to the home page. Once you're there, locate the login button on the top right corner of the screen and give it a click. This will take you to the login interface where you'll be able to access your account. If you prefer a quick login method, you can select Continue with Google. This is handy if you're already logged into your Google account, as it saves you the hassle of remembering yet another password. After you've successfully logged in, the next task is to navigate to the comments section of your site. Look for the comments option. Clicking here will direct you to the area where you can manage all the feedback from your readers. This is your central hub for approving new comments, editing existing ones, or deleting anything that's not suitable. You'll see a list of all the comments submitted and can take action on them as needed. If you want to delve further into how comments are managed on your site, head over to the settings area. This is where you can tweak how comments function on your posts. Find the discussion link, which is usually housed nearby the settings menu. Clicking on it opens a world of options for fine-tuning everything from who can leave comments to whether comments require approval before appearing on your site. Adjusting these settings is essential for tailoring the interaction to match your site's atmosphere. For instance, if you want to encourage open conversations, you might opt to automatically approve comments from trusted users. Alternatively, if you want to ensure all comments meet your standards, you can adjust settings so that each one requires your approval before it gets published. This is particularly useful for blogs with high traffic, where maintaining order in the comments section is more challenging. In summary, managing, editing, and deleting comments in WordPress is a straightforward process. It gives you the power to mold the discussion on your site exactly how you envision it. Whether you opt for strict comment moderation or a more relaxed approach, these steps enable you to maintain a respectful and constructive environment. With these tools at your disposal, you can confidently manage reader interactions and foster a positive community around your content. And that's all for today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and feel free to explore more features on your WordPress dashboard to enhance your site even further. Thanks for watching.